disease. But still people can't stop talking about it on the news and the radio frequencies. And you boys, the same story, you listen too long and you go crazy. We cannot be divided. Come on, let's really give this world something to see. Wouldn't that be inspiring? You make me believe. Well, I can't believe that you can make change with your choice and your energy. It's out with the old and in with the new. We're looking ahead and I'm loving the view. Well, the battle was won, but the war ain't over. Gotta keep pushing through to protect our future. And all I know is for it to be better, our hearts and our minds and our hopes come together. Sing it. We cannot be divided. Come on, let's really give this world something to see. Wouldn't that be inspiring? Make me believe. I know it's hard with all the differences we face, but in our hearts I know we mostly want the same. For a peaceful world where our children can be raised, and for brighter days, well, we cannot be divided. Cannot be divided. Come on, let's really give this world something to see. Wouldn't that be inspiring? Come on, let's really give this world something to see. We cannot be divided, no. What we need is a song to forget about it. What we need is a voice to set us free. All we need is a song to forget about it. What we need is a voice to set us free. Down the border, we gotta stop this nation anew. We ask the God for answer, but it's plain to see that they ain't got no clue, man. They just keep pointing fingers so you can pass the blame, but we all know the truth, and in the end, it don't even matter, cause the only blame's on me and you. Well, can't you see that the way that we're living, that won't easily be forgiven? Can't you see that the way that we're living now, it won't easily be forgiven? The house, the car, the food in the kitchen, turn off the heat, keep me warm when we're sleeping. Can't you see the way that we're living now, it won't easily be forgiven, no. Break down the system, no, we just can't let it be, yeah. I know it's easier to look away, but tell me what's with all the apathy, yeah. We never wanna take a time standing in the checkout line. We just a shuffle our feet. Let me throw my money away. Ain't got the time of day, or carrot's not something I really need. So take it from me. I can't bear to see all the damage that I've endorsed, man, or the price we pay. We should've stayed in our caves and let life just run its course. Oh, now it's such a crying shame. Oh, all the shit we leave behind for those without a name. Oh, tell me, is it all in vain? Well, if I can't learn from the past, I'm doomed to repeat it again and again. And they say we want no part of this. What are we waiting for? You keep on telling me it's almost one, never should have begun. And they say we want no part of this. Now what are we waiting for? You keep on telling me it's almost